Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Ed. In this video, I will guide you through how to connect with advisor on Ritholtz Wealth. For that, first of all, open any browser you have on your device. For now, I'm using Chrome. Then on the address bar, search for RITHOLTZWEALTH.com. Now, when the official website is open, on the top right, you will see Talk to an Advisor option. Click on it. From here, you have to fill out this form. First of all, you have to enter your first name. Then enter your last name. Here, provide a valid email address where you can be reached. Now, here, input a phone number for contact. Note that by providing your number, you consent to receive SMS. Here, select how would you like the advisor to reach out to you. For now, I am choosing email. Now, enter your postal code to indicate your location. Here, among the individual, institution and corporate, choose the option that best describes you. For now, I am choosing individual. Here, select the range that represents your investable assets. Then select an amount between your selected assets. Here you have to select how did you hear about them. Choose the option that apply. At last, briefly explain your motivation for reaching out and why this is the right time for you. You can describe more about it and at last click on Submit. Then your submission has been received. They will contact through your email. In this way, you can easily contact with the advisor. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.